Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about module. In our previous classes we already discussed about class, object and inheritance concepts. We use the concepts which we already discussed in our previous classes. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python language. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, we will take an example and understand what module is. A module, we call it as a Python file is called as a module. Python files are having .py extension. So any file that is having .py extension, we call it as a module, and the module name is taken as the file name. Whatever the file name we have, that is considered as our module name. But in our examples, in our playlist, we are using a Jupyter notebook. The files that we create in Jupyter notebook will have an extension of .ipynb extension. So how to convert that into .py and how to use those modules, that we will take an example and understand in this class. Let's take an example. Test module. This is the file which we created in Jupyter notebook, and this test module is having .ipynb extension. In this file we are having one function. The name of the function is function. We are having one function and one variable. X is a variable, that is a dictionary variable, and in this file we are having a class named test. So how to convert this file into .py file? Let's go to file. In the file we are having download as. From that, see here, python.py extension. So download it as python.py. So this file is downloaded as .py file. After downloading this .py file, copy this .py file and paste it in the folder where you are using other files. Let's take an example here. We are using another file called module in Python. In this file we downloaded this test module file and we converted into .py extension, and we copied that file into the folder where we are using this module in Python. So do that so that we can use the functions, variables and the classes that are present in test module. We can use them. That is the use of module. Suppose if some person has written a big function in some .py file, we can import the .py file and we can use those functions and classes that are present in that file. That is the use of module. Let's take an example here. So we copied the test module. So how to import the files? Using the keyword called import test module. So we are importing the test module and we are giving an aliasing shortcut name using as. As is a keyword used for aliasing the module name. Test module as TM. So we imported the test module and we shortcut it as a TM. We can use this test module now. Means we can call the functions, variables and classes that are present in that module. So how to call the functions that are present in a test module? tm.function of, it is calling the function that is present in our test module. Let's check the function. What it's written is print. This is function in module test module. So let's check it whether it is giving the same output or not. This is function in module test module. So we are calling the functions present in a test module file. Okay, next how to call the variables? tm.x of x is a dictionary variable in test module file. So we are using that variable tm.x of. It is displaying name Suresh, age 30, dictionary value is displayed here. The same way we can create an object. tm.test of is a class in a test module. So we are creating an object ob1 is equal to, and we are using the functions that are present in that test class. Like that we can call any function that is any function, variable or classes that are present in the modules. That's the use of module. Let's discuss another function called dir. Is an input function, inbuilt function that is present in the Python. We use this dir function to display the list of variables, functions, classes that are present in the module. So we are taking it as TM, module as TM, test module is shortcut as TM. So in the dir function, if you send it as TM, it will give the list of variables, functions and classes that are present in our module. So we are displaying print y, it is displaying the list of function. We are having a function named as function, and we are having a test class called test, and we are having a variable called x. So it is giving the list of values, and remaining all are default methods that are present for any object. So that's why these values are displayed for any module. These are the default methods that are present in any object in Python. So that's why it is displaying these values. And we can import not only the complete package, we can import the particular class from the module. How to import a particular class from the module, that we will understand. Let's take the keyword. In order to import the particular method, a particular class or particular function or particular variable from the module, we use the keyword from test module, import only function, means we can access only the function now. So function of, we are calling this function, it is displaying as this is a function in module test module. That is how we can access only particular classes, particular functions from the module. Next, we are accessing only from test module, import test, means we are accessing only, we are importing only test class. We are creating object ob2 is equal to test of, and we are using the function that is present in the test class. What is the function? Function is displaying this is f method in test module class test. So this is what about modules in Python. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.